In the previous video, we came to know how to change the sentences from comparative degree to positive degree. Now let us know how to change the sentences from positive degree to comparative degree. Here it is a second type of changing degrees of comparison. The sentence is given in positive degree. When the sentence is in positive degree, you should observe the sentence. Here first name is given. After that verb is there, as and positive form of adjective, and again as, then second name is given. When the structure is like that, you have to change the sentences as you should take the second noun at first, you should write suitable verb, and then in this statement there is no negative sense, that's why you should add not to the verb, and then comparative form of adjective should be written, then than should follow, then first name should be written. Like that, the change of degrees from positive to comparative degree is made here. Look at the examples. Platinum is as heavy as gold. So gold is the second noun, it is taken, and verb is written here. Not is added to that verb, and heavier, the comparative form of adjective, heavier is written. Here heavy is the positive degree, then heavier is followed by than, and then the first noun is written at the last of the sentence. Like that, Ravi is as brave as Kiran. You have to take this last noun to first, and then you should write verb, Kiran is, and then not should be mentioned. Kiran is not. Then here positive form of adjective brave is there. Braver is the comparative form of adjective. You should write braver, and than should be written. Then write the first name at the last of the sentence. Kiran is not braver than Ravi. Then look at the other sentence. The wolf is as ferocious as the tiger. Here take the tiger first. The tiger. Verb is, and not should be written, not. Here as ferocious as is mentioned. Ferocious is the adjective. It is a polysyllabic word, ferocious. That's why you should write more ferocious. The tiger is not more ferocious than the wolf. Than should be written. The wolf, first noun should be written at the end of the sentence. Next example, Santi is as beautiful as Kanchana. Write Kanchana first, then verb is not, negative sense, and beautiful is the adjective here, that is polysyllabic, and then more beautiful should be written, then than should be followed. Santi. Kanchana is not more beautiful than Santi. It is the way of changing a positive degree to comparative degree when the positive statement is there. But when in the positive degree there is a negative statement, how to change it? Look at the sentences. Iron is not so strong as steel. Here not is mentioned. In the previous examples there is no negative sense in the positive degree, but here not is mentioned. How to change the sentence to comparative degree? Iron is not so strong as steel. Then write the second name to first. Steel. Verb is mentioned. Here not is there, you should remove it, and then strong as so strong as is mentioned, and then strong is the positive form of adjective. Write stronger, comparative form of adjective for that, and then than should be followed. Then the first noun should be written at the end of the sentence. Iron. Steel is stronger than iron. Then next example, the horse is not so big as the elephant. Write the elephant first. Elephant. The verb is, you should remove not. The comparative form of adjective for big is bigger. Than should be followed. Then the horse, the first noun should be written at the end of the sentence. In the same way, cure is not so good as prevention. Write prevention first, and then verb is remove not, and then good is the positive degree. Write better here, comparative degree. Prevention is better, and than should be written. Then cure, the first name. This is the way of changing positive degree to comparative degree. This is the second type of changing degrees of comparison. We will meet in the next video by explaining the third type of degrees of comparison. Thanks for watching.